Hi, have you ever thought about running Ollama, Claude Code, Cursor AI, and even Google's Antigravity right on your phone? If not, just look at this. I am running Antigravity on my phone locally, and this is not a fake trick. It is actually running inside my phone. And to show the real power of this agentic code editor on a phone, I built a demo website without writing a single line of code using anti-gravity, and it built the website exactly the way I asked, with every feature I am going to show you in this video. Now, if you are thinking I installed some separate Linux OS on my phone, that is absolutely not the case. This is running through the Termux app, so I can simply exit Termux and use my phone completely normally, just like before. All my apps, all my data, everything stays exactly as it was. And what is even better is that I did not have to unlock the bootloader or root my phone to make this work. It is completely safe. As you can see, my phone is not rooted, and as soon as I switch back to the Termux app, I enter a completely different operating system, Ubuntu Linux. So you can run all your tools, including Anthropic Claude Code with Ollama, right inside VS Code, which means you can do full vibe coding on your phone. And honestly, if you connect a wireless keyboard and mouse, you will not even feel like you are working on a phone. And it is not just AI agents or developer tools. You can also run 3D software like Blender, which handles modeling, animation, rendering, simulation, motion tracking, and video editing, because a real Ubuntu environment is running on your device. On top of that, you can even play some mid to low spec games on it. I mean, I struggle to run heavy games on my laptop, and this is just a phone. And do not think you need a high-end device for this. I have run this same setup on a OnePlus 6T, and it runs completely smooth. I have already uploaded a video walking through the full installation. You can watch it by clicking the I button in the top corner, because in this video, I am going to focus on how to actually use all these tools, assuming you have already done the setup. So, let's get into it and install everything one by one. First, we will install Ollama. Open your browser, search for Ollama, go to its website, and head to the download section. From there, copy the installation command for Linux. I will also have this command saved in my repository. The link is in the description. After copying, right-click on the screen and open the terminal. Once the terminal is open, paste the Ollama installation command and run it. Ollama will start installing on your phone, so just let it finish. Once it is installed, we need to start the Ollama server. Type Ollama serve in the terminal and hit enter. The server will start running right away and will begin handling requests for your AI models. To make sure Ollama is working, open a new terminal. Type Ollama run Qwen 2.5 and hit enter. This will download and run the model automatically. Just make sure the Ollama server is still running in the background. It is a lightweight Qwen model that works on basically any phone, and it runs completely offline since everything is local. Now, let's install Anthropic Claude Code. Go to my repository, scroll down, and copy the Claude Code installation command. Open the terminal, paste it in, and run it. Once it finishes installing, go back to the repository and copy the Claude Code fix command. Paste it into the terminal and hit enter. That will fix it and get it ready to use. Now, I want to use Claude Code with Google's Gemma 4 model, so let me copy that command from the repository. Paste it into the terminal. It will give you a URL to sign in. Double-click on it to open it in the browser. Then log in with your existing Google account. Do not create a new account, just sign in with one you already have. Once you are logged in and connected, go back to the terminal and run Ollama Launch Claude. It will show you the available models. Since I already pulled Gemma 4, I will go with that. It will ask you to press enter a couple of times to continue. After that, Claude Code will fully launch and it is ready to take on any task you give it. And if you want to use it inside VS Code, just keep watching. Now it is time to install Google Antigravity. Open the browser and search for Antigravity. In the search results, open its website and click the download button. Then click Download for Linux. On that page, you will see installation commands, so copy the first one. Open the terminal and paste that command in. Then run it. Then copy the second command, paste it into the terminal, and run it. This one updates packages, so wait for it and type Y when it prompts you to continue. Then copy the third command, paste it into the terminal, and hit enter. This will install Antigravity on your system, so just let it finish. Once it is done, go to the desktop and click on the green search button. You will see that Google Antigravity is now installed, but we need to fix it first. Right-click on it and click Edit. In the command section, clear out the existing command completely. Then go back to the repository, scroll down, and copy the Antigravity run command. Go back to the edit menu and paste it in where the old command was. Then click Save. Now it is fixed and ready to go. Double-click to open it. The first launch may take a little time, so that is completely normal. Once it opens, you will see the home screen. Just keep clicking Next to get through the setup. When it asks you to log in, use your Google account. Once you are authenticated, it is ready to use. Open any project or start a new one, and the Antigravity agent will get to work. This is a Google-powered code editor that is more powerful than what you might expect. You can build anything with it without writing a single line of code. Now, let's install Blender. Open the terminal and type sudo apt install Blender, then run it. This will install Blender on your setup. Just wait and type Y when prompted. You can install any lightweight open source game the same way. For example, type sudo apt install OpenArena and let it install. Once it is installed, pull down from the top of your phone and open the application menu. Find Blender or your game in the list and launch it. It will open and run just like it would on a Windows or Mac machine. Now, let's install Cursor AI. Open the Cursor AI website. Once it loads, click the download button and scroll down. You will see a Linux installation section. Click on linux.debarm64 and let it download. Once the download is complete, open the file manager and go to the downloads folder. You will see the downloaded Cursor AI file. Right-click on it and extract it here. Open the extracted folder, then navigate to User, then Share, then Cursor. Inside, you will see several files, but just focus on the one named Cursor. Right-click on it and send it to the desktop. After that, right-click on the Cursor folder and open a terminal in that folder. Then, go to the repository, copy the Cursor AI run command, paste it into the terminal, and hit Enter. Now, launch the Cursor AI app from the shortcut you sent to the desktop. It may take a moment on the first launch, so be patient. Once it opens, sign up or log in with your account. After that, Cursor AI is fully set up and ready to go. Both Cursor AI and Antigravity are agentic code editors, by the way. And now for the final step, running Claude Code inside VS Code. VS Code comes pre-installed in this setup, so just launch it. Once it opens, open whichever folder you want to work in. Then open the terminal inside VS Code and run Ollama launch Claude. Claude Code will open right inside VS Code. Just remember that whenever you want to use Claude Code with Ollama, the Ollama server needs to be running in the background first. And that is it for today. I hope this video helps you get all these tools running on your phone. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe so you do not miss more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next one.